Thank you for Marissa for the intro. Hi, Dylan, your local nobody here. And I am here right now to tell you that Misfire Spark solves everything. Here's why. Need help with any baiting? Oh, that's easy. Misfire Spark. Do you need help with getting out of combos? Well, there's no problem for that, because there's Misfire Spark. Super armor? Nah, I don't need that. There's Misfire Spark. You need help with some Sonic mains? Misfire Spark. Do you need to have some ghosts to be dealt with? Ah, that's no problem. Misfire Spark. Even in Smash 4, this thing solved all your problems. As seen here. Misfire Spark solves everything! Is there anything Misfire Spark can't do?
Projectiles? Or maybe misfiring off the ledge?
Well, you see, Yukari, my question was...
Answered. Now get out! I'm trying to torment Larson in peace.